The next part of speech is verb. Verb is a word that describes an action, state, or occurrence and forms the main part of predicate. Verb, it can be divided in two ways: main verb or lexical verb, helping verb or auxiliary verb. Let's understand main verb. Main verb has two other sections also: action verb and state verb. Action verbs are play, sleep, eat, run, sleep. State verbs are thoughts, know, think, etc. Feelings, love, like, hope. Senses, feel, hear, smell. Possession, belong, own. Measurements, weigh, reach. Then helping verb or auxiliary verb. It has two sections: primary and modal. Primary, be, do, have. Be verbs are is, am, are, was, were, be, being, been. Do verbs are do, does, did. Have verbs are has, have, had. Next, modal. Modals are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must. Semi-modals are need, dare, used to, ought to. Identifying verbs in sentence. Ramesh works in a factory. Here works is the main verb. They have been playing cricket since 3 o'clock. Have been playing is the verb group. Have and been are from helping verb. And playing is the main verb. I shall meet my friend tomorrow. Here shall is the modal verb and meet is the main verb.